Have you ever thought about how your eyes work? First, light enters your eye through the cornea, which is located in the front of the eye. As light enters the eye, your iris dilates, which changes the size of your pupil. The size depends on how much light your pupil needs to let in. Next, your lens sends the light to the back of the eye. However, when this is done, the image is upside down. Finally, your retina sends the image as an electrical signal to your brain. And your brain flips the image right side up to what we actually see. What surprising fact did you learn about the structure and function of the eye?